In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an order form in Systeme.io, focusing specifically on setting up the payment connection. This process will take you about 5 minutes and I'll guide you through each step to ensure everything is set up correctly. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Systeme.io account. Head over to their website and locate the login page. Here, you'll enter your login credentials. Ensure that your details are correct to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard where you can start building your order form. Next, find the option to sign in and simply click it. This is a crucial step to access all the features you'll need for creating your order form. Make sure you're using an account with administrative permissions so you can make all the necessary changes. Once you're successfully signed in, hover your mouse over the website section in the dashboard. This is where you'll find all the tools needed to create and manage different types of web pages, including order forms. Now click on Sales Funnels. This section allows you to build a series of pages designed to convert visitors into customers, and an order form is a critical component of this funnel. In the Sales Funnel section, look for the button that says Add Step and click it. This will allow you to define a new element within your funnel. After clicking Add Step, you'll be prompted to select the type of step you want to add. Choose Order Form from the list of options. Choosing the correct step type is essential because it dictates how the form will function and integrates with other elements of your sales funnel. Once you've selected the order form step, you'll have the opportunity to choose a template. Systeme.io offers a variety of templates that are designed to perform well, both visually and functionally, so pick one that suits your business needs and start customizing it to match your brand. It's time to configure your product details. This includes setting the price, integrating your chosen payment gateway, and detailing the product access, whether it's digital or physical, that customers will receive upon purchase. Ensure that all information entered is accurate, as this will be crucial for processing transactions smoothly. Remember, it's vital to have already connected a payment gateway like Stripe or PayPal within your Systeme.io settings. This connection will allow transactions to process seamlessly once your customers reach the checkout. If you haven't connected a payment gateway yet, take a moment to do it now to avoid any interruptions when your order form goes live. And that's it, you've successfully created an order form in Systeme.io with a payment connection. This setup helps your business run more efficiently by streamlining the purchasing process for your customers. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.